This is Newton's law of cooling. It describes how an object's temperature changes over time due to its surroundings. The left side represents the rate of temperature change. The cooling constant K depends on the object and its environment. T is the object's temperature, like a hot tea, and T environment is the surrounding temperature. Let's solve the equation step by step. We separate variables and integrate both sides. Solving the integrals, we get a logarithmic expression. Exponentiating gives us the general solution, temperature as a function of time. Now, let's apply this to a real problem. The initial temperature is 90 degrees, and the surrounding temperature is 20 degrees. After 10 minutes, the temperature drops to 60 degrees. Using this data, we solve for the cooling constant K. Next, we use this value to find the time when the temperature will reach 40 degrees. The result is approximately 22.4 minutes.